everyone, welcome back to Blossom Elite. My name is Ishita and today I've got something very fun for you. So I'll be making resin coasters today using orchids and I really hope you guys like it, and if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get on to the
Okay, so for the material, the first thing we'll need is a coaster mold. I have used uncircumcised coastal mold, but it's totally your choice, whatever you want, and it is a 4-inch mold. Then we'll need resin. So for the flowers, I am using orchids and I have quick dried them. So if you guys want me to share that, please let me know in the comments down below. Next we'll need blowtorch, which is optional, gloves, plastic cups, plastic spoon and gold leaf, which is again optional. We will also need face mask because the air we breathe through this resin is very harmful. Though I would recommend professional masks for this, but if you don't have it, you can totally use normal masks. I wear like 2 to 3 masks when I make resin art, so I really suggest everyone to just please wear the masks. It's very important. Okay, so for the resin, I am using Epoxy Resin from Fortune Chemi Solution Limited. The one that I am using is 300 grams of resin, which is like 225 grams of resin and 75 grams of hardener. The ratio that I am taking is 3:1 as it is mentioned in the bottle. Then I have to mix it for 10 minutes. I will also link down the link from where I bought the resin and the coaster. Well, these are available on Amazon, but I'll again put down in the description box if you guys want to buy it. So after I was done mixing, I started pouring the resin, just a simple thin clear layer of resin for the base into the mold. As you can see, I am pouring it with the help of a spoon. You can use a wooden stick as well, but I would recommend a plastic spoon as plastic does not absorb resin. I made sure to evenly spread the resin into the coasters. Then I used the blowtorch to remove the bubbles that are into the resin. So next I took the orchids and started placing the leaves randomly the way I wanted. In this, these are dry orchids. As you can see, I have placed like the leaves in the center of the resin because I wanted to leave the clear space at the sides. But it's totally up to you. If you want, you can do anything. There is no restriction in art. So next I took a petal and crushed it to the sides just to give it the look. And when I was done, I took my gold leaf. Again, gold leaf is optional. If you guys want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want it, then you can totally leave it. So after, I just started again placing it randomly into the mold. So after I was done placing the flowers and the gold leaf, I poured more resin on top of it. I used a plastic spoon to pour the resin because I think that it worked really good while working. Next I added some gold leaves. And then I again used the blowtorch to remove the bubble. So the final result I'll show you guys tomorrow after the resin dries.
24 hours later.
Okay, so let's see how our coasters turned out to be. Yeah, so I also added another layer of clear resin on top of it just for the finishing. I would also recommend, if kids are doing it, please do it with the help of an adult. I also made this another coaster using blue orchids, and this turned out to be really beautiful as blue orchids are my favorite flowers and I really love it. Let me show you how it looks. And if you liked it, please comment down below and tell me which one do you like, the purple or the blue one. Yeah, if you guys want to buy these resin coasters or want to get customized resin work done, I'll link my Instagram channel from where I sell the resin art in the description box below. And if you guys want to buy it, just contact me. I really hope you guys like it, and if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's meet in the next video.